Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through replacing a shower head and a shower valve. Not the full book, just the teaser version. Two different jobs in one bathroom, and I'll tell you which one is 10 minutes and which one is 2 hours. Here's the scene. Maybe your shower head is clogged with mineral scale, and the spray pattern looks like a garden sprinkler. Maybe water drips from the head a full minute after you shut it off. Maybe somebody flushes the toilet and you get scalded, or the handle grinds when you try to turn it. Those are all different problems. The head is easy. A new head is a 10-minute job with an adjustable wrench and a roll of Teflon tape. The valve is what decides whether this is a Saturday afternoon or a plumber call. So before you buy anything, diagnose. If the only issue is weak flow or spray, you need a new head. 10 minutes with an adjustable wrench. If water drips after shutoff or the temperature won't balance, that's a cartridge inside the valve. And here's the single biggest mistake I see homeowners make. They buy a Moen cartridge for a Delta valve. Cartridges are not universal. You have to match the brand and the generation, or you'll take 2 trips back to the store. Now, here's what the job actually looks like. For the head, you unscrew the old one counterclockwise by hand. You wrap fresh Teflon tape clockwise around the shower arm threads. You thread on the new head, snug, no wrench crushing the finish. For the cartridge, you shut the water off at the main. You pull the handle, the trim plate, and the retaining clip. You grip the old cartridge stem with needle nose pliers and pull it straight out. You slide the new cartridge in, lock the retaining clip back in its slot, reinstall the trim. Then you open the main shutoff slowly, over 30 seconds, so a pressure surge doesn't damage the new seals. The mistakes that double this job. Wrong cartridge brand, and you've already bought it. No Teflon tape on the shower arm, and now the drip is from the arm thread, not the head. Over-tightening the handle and cracking the escutcheon. Turning the water back on fast and blowing the new seals, and skipping the hot-cold orientation check on a pressure balance cartridge. And one more thing, if water is staining the wall next to the shower or the ceiling below it, the valve body itself is leaking behind the tile. Stop. That's a wall opening job, and for most homeowners, that's plumber work. For the full cartridge identification guide, the exact pressure test, and the 4 situations where you stop and call a pro, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.